Hi everyone, today let's make hot Chinese bhel in the most delicious way. First add 1 cup of water and let it boil. Here I've taken half packet of noodles as mine was really big. You can add more if you like. Add it to the boiling water and let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes. After the noodles are cooked for 70 to 80%, take it out or drain the water. Then fry the noodles in hot oil and let it become crispy. You can easily break it in your hands. After it becomes crispy like this, take it out and keep it aside. Then in a pan, add some oil. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic, little bit of onion, capsicum and saute it. Also, don't forget to add cabbage. I like it if the veggies are crunchy. It gives a better taste. Here I've added 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of Szechuan chutney and 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Szechuan chutney gives the real taste of Chinese bhel. Then add little bit of water to it. Also, I've made a corn flour slurry, corn flour plus water and added it to the mixture. Mix it and let it cook for a while. Then add crispy noodles and mix well. You can even use 2 spoons here to mix it. And our favorite Chinese bhel is ready to serve. Enjoy with family, friends, and let me know how it turned out. Bye, have a good day, and if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. Meet you once again. Take care.